Hello, dear children. Let's start doing dialogue based exercises of direct and indirect narration. See, dear children, in your exam, you will get such questions of narration where dialogues will be given, and you are supposed to write or select the correct option. Though here in this exercise I have not given you option. If you will be capable to convert dialogues in indirect narration, you will be easily getting the correct option as well. So let's do it with me. The question is, Suman, when will you be of 18? See, dear children, you can see it very well that it is a question. When will you be of 18? Suman asked Geeta when she would be of 18. Geeta replied her that she did not know. Suman asked further if she did not celebrate her birthday. Geeta said, I have not remembered this. Geeta told her that she had not remembered that. I hope it is clear to you. Now we will go further. The next exercise. You can see the exercise. Sunil, which dresses do you like more? Sunil and Abha are talking. Then Sunil, Abha, I like the dress which you presented at my birthday. Sunil, go to rest now. So the sentence will be like that in indirect narration. Sunil asked Abha which dresses she liked more. Abha replied him that she liked the dress which he had presented at her birthday. Sunil advised her to go to rest then. Abha told him that she would call him later. So, dear children, I think you are able to follow it, how to convert, because now I am not telling you the rules, because separately we had discussed statement based questions, how to convert, command and request, and interrogatives. So now these are the miscellaneous exercises in dialogue form. So I am not sharing you the rules. For rules, you can see my other videos which I have already sent in your class group as well as in your GCR. Third question is, Danny, may I use your pen? Jimmy, it is empty. Danny, do you have another? Jimmy, yes, but I am writing with it. Danny asked Jimmy if he might use his pen. Jimmy told him that it was empty. Danny further asked him if he had another. Jimmy replied in positive and told him that he was writing with it. Exercise 4 is, Sonu, how do you feel now? Golu, I feel now better. Sonu, need you any help? Golu, please bring a glass of water. Sonu asked Golu how he felt then. Golu replied Sonu that he felt then better. Sonu asked further him if he needed any help. Golu requested him to bring a glass of water. So dear children, I think these questions answers are clear to you. Thank you everyone.